How to fix error code 0xc0000098 on Windows 10/8/7. To fix error code 0xc0000098 on Windows 10/8/7, try these fixes below. 1. Rebuild BCD manually. Run the following commands as admin in command prompt mode. Hint: Google enter Windows safe mode. /scanos /fixmbr /fixbot /rebuild 2. Perform startup repair. Three. Run chkdsk as admin, chkdskc/f/r/x4. Run system file checker as admin, sfc/scanos/offbooter /c/offwinder /c/windows. 5. Perform a clean install of Windows. 6. Update the essential drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide.